Hey guys, how you doing? Ed Bishop here with Backwoods with the Bishops. Today we are going to show you how a life hack at the bandsaw. So over here, we got our jig, 16 feet long. So as you can see, we don't got slabs laying all over the place in the back of trucks and tripping over. So this here is rigged from the end to the center of every, well, 1x4. And you cut that at 16-inch on center as soon as you got your jig full. We're almost full. I ran out of logs. Woohoo! Big deal. Yay. So we'll go zip that up. This works really good with any chainsaw that has at least a 20-inch bar. 18, you really struggle to get across. Out of several hours of milling for about 2 minutes of sawing, and that's done. So we're going to get the truck, toss that in the truck, and that goes straight in the shed. Anything to make life easier. Hope you guys like that. Catch you next time.